Hello viewers, welcome back to channel. So dear friends, today I have brought an amazing and astonishing project for you. This is going to be full of opportunities and its name is Imagine Network. Welcome to Imagine Network, the world's first decentralized AI powered social platform built on Solana BNB chain and Ethereum. Imagine creating, moderating and governing your own community powered by AI and backed by blockchain. So this platform is bringing amazing feature for you, and this video is going to be very full of opportunities and information. Please don't skip any part of the video. So we will discuss its feature are amazing AI content generations, decentralized social nodes and multi-chain compatibility and liquidity, and the funding of AI tools. So this is the amazing feature of this network, and here you can check that this platform bringing amazing features, and you can get amazing features, and you can check that auto generation engineers build posts, image and even videos using advanced models like DAL E and stable diffusion. Adaptive filters ensure your feed remains clean and relevant, powered by intelligent modernizations. Node based personalization on Solana or for low latency and high performance interactivity. And its token, that is image token, already live on Solana, Ethereum, BNB and on MaxC. So this is funding for AI tools, strategic investment directed to building real-time generative tools. So now I will explain how can you join it. So first of all, you will have to visit Imagine Network and connect your Solana compatible wallet, any compatible wallet, and then you will have to register and start creating, use AI content tools, join social nodes and earn and spend image. Engage, contribute to governance, stake tokens, join creator incentives and grow your personal or community node. So here I will explain how can you log in this amazing platform. So dear friends, if you want to sign up or create your account, you will have to put your email username, and then you will have to put your password, and you can also log in with a wallet. So here we will try to log in with wallet. So dear viewers, here you can see that you can log in Imagine Network through your wallet. Here you can see that you can connect with wallet, connect with Quantum Wallet, Phantom Wallet, MetaMask Wallet. So let's start to connect it with our wallet. So dear viewers, here you can see that we have successfully logged in to Imagine Network, and here you can check that you can contribute through videos, images, news, polls, lists and X trivia quiz and music. So here you can check shorts, subscriptions and reactions, hot, and explore many amazing features, and this platform bringing amazing features for you. And Imagine Network is more than a social platform, it is a next generation creator ecosystem. So dear viewers, this is for the creators, and this is amazing platform. And now I will explain Imagine token on MaxC. So here you can see, so dear viewers, here you can see MaxC image price is 0.1936 image USD trading pair, and here you can check with 24-hour range is 0.0182 to 0.028, high volatility and trading opportunities, and its volume is 2.24 million, and its image traded strong market interest. And here you can check liquidity and order book strength. Sell wall begins near 0.02075, light resistance easy to overcome, and buy support clusters at 0.018 with 7k image bids, robust support zone, take away images undervalued with healthy demand, a strategic entry points for bulls and traders alike. So here you can check that you can buy it and you can sell it, and here you can check the details. And I would suggest to all my viewers to be part of this amazing platform, and this is the Telegram community of Imagine Network, and I would suggest to all my viewers to join this community to get latest information and updates about the Imagine token and Imagine Network. And I would suggest to all my viewers to follow the Imagine AI page on Twitter and get the latest news updates and airdrop events about this platform. And this is going to be very amazing platform and very informative, and I would suggest to all my viewers to be part of this platform. And here you can check that Imagine Network is more than a social platform, it's a next generation creator ecosystem blending AI innovation with token organized community building with robust funding, multi-chain rollout, and increase exposure via Coinbase, Binance, Preps. Now is the perfect time to join via wallet connection, explore AI powered creation. So dear viewers, here you can see that you can explore AI powered creation, monitor image volatility on Maxi, and position yourself early in the decentralized social revolution. Whether you are a creator, community builder, or crypto strategist, Imagine Network is going to be very offering dynamic blueprint for growth and engagement in Web3 AI driven future. Let me know if you want to deeper insights like governance mechanics, staking details, and image token roadmap. Please drop your question and views in the comment section of the video. All the links have been pasted in the description of the video. So if you found this video useful, don't forget to like and share the video. Please do your own research before investment. Thank you for watching the video. See you again.